I'm Sarah Burtch with Kingstonist News, and here are your top headlines today, October 14th, 2025. Officers with the Frontenac County Detachment of the OPP were dispatched at around 9:30 a.m. on Thursday, October 9th, to the scene of a two-vehicle collision. The collision occurred in the eastbound lanes of the 401 just east of Sydenham Road, where a car had rear-ended a pickup truck, with the car then rolling over into a ditch. The ensuing investigation resulted in the arrest of a 17-year-old male from Kingston, who was subsequently charged with dangerous operation of a motor vehicle. The town of Greater Napanee, in partnership with the Salvation Army, is shaking things up in the name of being prepared. On Friday, October 10th, a simulated, coordinated emergency response scenario began to play out at 1 p.m. For the following 24 hours, local emergency responders, community organizations, and volunteers took part in the emergency preparedness exercise, which played out the scenario of a response to a minor earthquake in the area. According to organizers, the situation being simulated was that of an earthquake striking at 11 a.m., measuring 3.8 on the Richter scale. In other news, Kingston civic leaders are understandably furious over their recent snub by the nation's passenger rail service. City councillors openly questioned VIA's business strategy when they passed a strongly worded motion at their Tuesday, October 7th meeting, requesting that VIA provide stable, reliable, and ultimately expanded passenger rail service through Kingston. Mayor Brian Patterson said that one aim of the motion that he introduced to City Council on Tuesday is to ensure the city keeps its competitive edge for business, tourism, students, and general travelers relying on rail in Kingston. According to a news release by the CSC on Friday, October 10, 2025, an unspecified number of packages were located and seized at Collins Bay Institution between Monday, September 29th and Friday, October 3rd. Items within the packages located on the property included cannabis, tobacco, cell phones, and cell phone accessories. According to the CSC, these contraband and unauthorized items have an institutional value estimated at $147,400. This is the 10th seizure of packages containing contraband at Collins Bay this year. In a detailed two-part series on our website, Kingstonist looks back at the trial of Michael Mark Haaima so far. The judge-only trial, which began in late May 2025 and is presided over by Justice Robin Ryan Bell at the Frontenac County Courthouse in Kingston, took a one-month hiatus last week on Friday, October 3rd. The alleged serial rapist and sex predator is facing 98 separate charges in what his own lawyer has described as 28 back-to-back sexual assault trials. For more on this story and other local news, visit Kingstonist.com. While you're there, you can use my code SarahB2025 for 10% off.